Right guys, something super exciting today. We've got some Govee neon rope, 3 meter length, just arrived. I'm going to open it up and have a little look in it. Really excited about this high quality product. I've seen them before, but now we've got one ourselves. So let's get stuck in and have a look, see what we've got in here. So box, Govee, making live. You've got bits and pieces on here. Right, so there we go. Inside we've got the coil of rope. It's got a sort of rubbery sort of texture to it. Feels quite nice actually. So we get that out. The controller. Obviously download the app as well with this, but it's got a controller on, off, looks like, color changing and then mode changing. Yeah, it's got the connection there. So if we lift the top off, we've got the transformer and fixing brackets and manuals and bits and pieces and some screws. But let's have a look at the rope itself. Nice little bit of quality velcros there. So first thing I noticed, very tactile, quite rubbery, but obviously with this type of diffuser on top, you know, the way, so the light will come out the top like this, so it's very bendy side to side, but it's not that bendy up and down. So you'll fix it like this, so curves and bends that way will be fine, but if you're looking to go around corners that way up and down, you probably won't be able to do that. Right, let's get it rigged up, let's get some power in it, and let's have a little look at what it can do. Right guys, these are the Govee neon rope lights, diffused in their full glory. This is a 3 meter rope, very bright, very colourful. Got a controller down here where one basically changes the colour. Let's just grab that. One changes the colour. So let's have a go on that. You got your reds, you got your yellows, you got your whites, your greens, your blues, your light blue, purpley, proper white. And you've got your different features on what they do. So I've just basically got 2 buttons down here. You can just change in how they work. So as I'm pressing the button, they're just changing. So you've got the button, but as well as the button, you've got the app, and that gives a far more of in-depth way of controlling them. You can actually tailor make your own light setups. So there's the app, and if we just demonstrate some of the functions on the app, down the bottom you've got the actual rope itself, so you know how to navigate around it. You've got all the colours down the bottom, and then as you get a little bit more detailed in there, you can control different parts of the rope, as you can see. So this app is really seamless. Doesn't, you know, we've used it for quite a while now. It's not glitchy at all. It works really, really well. They're, you know, good quality sort of setup, so you're not going to have much grief. So there you go. That is the rope lights. We're going to get them on the wall. Once we've got them on the wall, I'll show you the result. The packet of brackets I've got a few out here. Obviously quite good quality metal brackets, aluminium I would imagine. They've got a 3M sticky back on the back, but also a fixing hole. So, you know, I'm assuming we fix these to the wall in the shape that we want to have the rope, and then the rope slots into the fixing like that. So I have to say these things are pretty mental in terms of the control you've got over them, of the colours, the brightness, and the sort of patterns that it does as well, the modes. It's you know, it's really versatile and flexible in terms of you can set it up exactly how you want. Very impressed. So this is what they call DIY mode, where basically you've got all your presets, which there are loads, but you can actually make your own settings and it will save them and store them on. And this is one that we've done ourselves. Gives you the flexibility to do whatever you want. Really good. Really impressive things. Wanted to demonstrate how we can turn it on and off with Alexa. Alexa, turn off rope.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on rope.
Okay.
Pretty cool.